number of elements, nothing but whenever you can have number of things, number of persons. For example, if you have different persons having different professions, so whenever you can have the entire raw data, so how you can divide into different things. So for example, from teachers professions are different, lawyer professions are different, doctor professions are different. So how we can different the different elements? So that is nothing but representation of this one. So simply we can represent with the help of the circles here, with the help of the circles. Whenever you can have, depends upon the categories, the number of the circle is depends upon the categories, number of categories. We can have 3 professions, different profession means we can use by 3 circles. Okay, in this manner you can represent the different circle here. So whenever you are representing the circles, so how we can categorize the, based upon the different categories, how we can draw the circles. Let us see here. For example, first I will take the just general example and how we can draw the Venn diagram. World, India, Andhra Pradesh. So this how we can represent in Venn diagram with the help of the circle. Here we can have 3 things are there. World, India, AP. So how we can represent this should be in the Venn diagram. So first of all you need to observe that what is the relation between these 3. That is very very important. You need to observe that what is the relation of these 3. So world, India, AP. So means what here? In the world, India is one of the country. In India, AP is the one of the state. In India. In the world, India is the one of the country. In India, AP is the one of the state. So how we can represent? For example, see here. This is world. Okay, this is world. This is India. This is India. Next, this is AP. How we can represent here? In the world, India is the one of the country. In India, AP is the one of the state. In this manner, you can represent. For example, take another example. India, AP, Karnataka. India, AP, Karnataka. Now, first of all, what is the first step? You need to observe the what is the relation of the given 3 here. Okay. So, India, AP. Already you can have India, AP. Next, Karnataka. India, AP. Already we have India, AP. First, we will draw this one. This is India. This is AP. Okay. Now, Karnataka. So, what is the difference between AP and Karnataka? Both are the state, but both are the different states in the India. So how we can draw this one? So in India only you can have the 2 different states. So we will draw like this one. Okay. So this is AP and this is Karnataka. So in India we can have AP and Karnataka. For example, if you have more than this also, you can draw the another circle. You can draw the another circle. Okay. So next, see, next one is India, AP, Pakistan. India, India, AP, Pakistan. See, here same. India, AP, Pakistan. So Pakistan is the other country. Pakistan is the other country. In India we can have AP. So other country means we can draw this one. Separately we can draw the another circle. Okay. Next, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Here all are the countries, but all are the different countries. So different countries, nothing but one with not linked with another one. So we can draw the separate here: India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Okay. So next, so this is how we can draw the different. See, first of all, whenever you can have, first of all you need to observe the what is the relationship of the given elements. You need to observe the what is the relationship of the given elements. Okay, now we'll, for example, we can have other should be there: father, brother, sister. Father, brother, sister. Okay, see, first of all you need to observe the what is the relationship of these two. So the common relationship of these two is what here? These two are the male, this is female. Common relationship in between these two is male relationship, this is the female relationship. So father, brother and sister. Sister is different. So how we can draw this? First of all you can draw the sister. This is the sister. Sister is different, female category. Okay, father, brother. So all fathers cannot be brothers, all brothers cannot be fathers. We can have some fathers may be brother, some brothers can be fathers. Okay, we can have some should be there. So here I will take this one here. Okay, father, brother. Okay, so some fathers may be brother, some brothers may be father. Okay, we can have this one relationship further. Okay, next, father, doctor, men. Father, doctor, men. Okay, so now what is the relationship of this one here? So men nothing but we can have the all the male relationships, males. Okay, so male is nothing but here father must and should male. Okay, nothing but men. So first of all under the category of the men we can have the fathers. Okay, so here I will take the here it is men and father, must and should, damn sure that men in the father should be there. Okay, so what about doctor? So doctor may be males or females. Okay, we can have both here. So that's why here, so fathers also, somebody fathers also, here you can have like this one, doctor. You can have doctor. So here men should be fathers. Okay, some men should be doctor, some father should be doctor. Some father should be doctor means you can take this one also in this manner. Okay, so this is the representation of the based upon the category how you can represent the given items or things in the form of the Venn diagram, nothing but in the form of the circles. Okay, next we will take some example for this one. Now we'll take the one example. See, which of the following diagram represent the relationship among the given words? Here they are given the 4 options. Among these 4 options, so which should be equal to the this representation of the given questions here? See, so first of all, woman, teacher, student. Woman, teacher, student. So first of all you need to observe the what is the relation. Is there any common relationship between this one here, or is there other different things are there? Okay, see, women, teacher, student. So women here, teacher, students. So women is nothing but you can have the separate female relationship. Teacher, so teacher should be either male or female. Student also either male or female here. Okay, first of all, women. Some women may be teacher. Now some women may be teacher. See, now here we can have the category of either A or B here. either A or B option. So whenever if you are observe here, if it is there here, women, teacher, students. So some women's may be teacher. Okay, so the teacher should be either male or female. Okay, so whenever if you take this part, so whenever if you take this part, here in this part the teachers are female, nothing but women's. So apart from this part, the teachers are male teachers. Okay, so here next students. So student means they are the different one. So the student should be either male or female. Okay, the student should be either male or female. Means here we can go for this one here. See which one should be here. For example, if you take this is a woman. This is as a woman. Okay, so woman nothing but the above the age, we can call this as a women's. Okay, see students are, we can have both should be there. Okay, see which one should be here, A or B. So option B is correct for this one. Option B is correct for this one. Okay, next what is another thing here, elephant, wolf, animal. See elephant, wolf, animal. So animal is nothing but the categories of the these two. Very simple option. Which one should be here? C option should be here. So animal, elephant, wolf. Okay, next red, green color. So color is, this is the color, different colors you can have, red, green, red, green. Okay, so in this manner you can solve your problem. We'll take the another example here. So find the correct relationship among the groups. Okay, see here they are given the 5 options here. First one, pop, songs, classical. Okay, so here songs are the one of the category. We can have the different should be pops and classical. Classicals are different here. Okay, so see which one should be correct for this one. Which one should be correct for this one? So songs is the one of the category. In that songs we can have the different should be pop songs are different, classical songs are different. So here we can have the songs category, this one. You can have pop and classical. So which one is should be here? Option D for this one. Option D for this one. Next, Asia, Delhi, India. So Asia we can call some group of some countries is called as a Asia. Okay, in that one India is the one of the country. So first of all Asia, India is the one of the country. Delhi, what is Delhi? Capital of India, nothing but one of the city in India or one of the state in India. So this is Asia, India, Delhi. So which option is correct here? Option A. Next, lawyers, women, doctors. Okay, so first of all here see here lawyers, women and doctors. So women are female category. In that female category you can have the somebody should be lawyers or somebody should be doctors. So which one should be here? Option B. So this is the women, you can have lawyers, you can have doctors. So option B for this one. Option B for this one. Next, brinjal, glass, spoon. See here brinjal is the vegetables, glass is the one of the item, spoon is the other. Spoon is different, glass is different, brinjal is different. So option C. Next, vehicle, car, jeep. So in the category vehicle, in these are the categories of the vehicle. So this is the vehicle. So car is differ, jeep is differ. Vehicle, this is car, jeep. Okay, so option D for this one. Option D for this one. Okay, see this is the another type models. In previous model they are given the some statement, based upon the statement you need to find out the which figure should be common or which figure should be exact for that one. But in this one, they are given the figure, okay, that should be having the different categories. Based upon the question, we need to find out the which one should be correct for this one. See here, in the given diagram, who plays hockey, cricket, badminton? Nothing but the player who plays these three: hockey, cricket, badminton. Both three who plays. See, here we can have the R's are square or rectangulars. So badminton, this is the hockey, this is the category. So three different games are there, but one person plays all the three. We need to find out the which person is here. See, so here, so how we can find? Nothing but we can have the different squares is there here. Okay, so different square, for example this one here. Okay, so whenever all the three squares are interlinked at the one point, okay, you need to find out the which one should be there here. See here, so this is the one square and this is the another square, this is the another square. So all are interlinked with here. This is nothing but S here. This is nothing but S here. For example, if you observe V here, V is not interlinked with the badminton, not interlinked with this square. It is not interlinked with this square. So it is yes. So option is this one. Option D is correct. This is one of the different category from the Venn diagram. In the first category, they will give the statements and as well as the option as in the diagram. Just you need to find out the based upon the statement which diagram is correct. In the second one, they mention the entire diagram thing based upon the question which option should be suitable for this one. These are the two categories from the Venn diagram. Now we'll take what are the previous question from your different exam from the Venn diagram. So this is the question from the RRB. This is the question from the RRB. See, find the correct relationship among the questions. See, they are given some four options. They are given some four options. See, first one, moon, earth, universe. Okay, so universe, in the universe we can have moon and earth are the planets. So in the universe we can have moon and earth. Okay, in the universe we can have moon and earth. Now batsman, cricket, stick. See, batsman, this is the play, cricket. The player, batsman and bowler we can have. So in the category of the cricket we can have the batsman. Stick is different. See, we can see the different option. See this option. So cricket is this one, batsman is different, stick is different. Stick is different. Okay. Next, book, pencil, pen. So all are the stationaries. All are the stationaries, but all are having the different categories. Okay. Even though they are the stationary, we can all are different. Book is different, pencil is different, pen is different. So which one should be here? Option C. Book, pen, pencil. Next, house, bedroom, bathroom. So in the house we can have separate bedroom is there, separate bathroom is there. So which one should be correct? Option A. So house, bedroom, bathroom. Okay, so this is the question from your RRB exam. Next we will go for the other questions. Now this is the question from the SSC CGL. See, from the given diagram find out the youth who does job but not educated. Who does job but not educated. Here you can have the three categories. One is youth, educated, job. So what is the question here? Youth, okay, who does the job but not educated. So the youth who having the job but they are not educated. So not educated youth only we need to take here. Okay, so which one should be here? So this is the youth circle. Okay, so this is the educated, this is the job. So this is the educated. This is not required for us. This is not required for us. Okay, so now we can take these two circles. In these two circles, what is the common thing here? Those having the job, youth. Okay, job and youth. See, 4, number 4 is the in the both the circle. It is in this circle and it is in the youth circle also. The option is, this is the 4 is the your correct answer. Okay. Now we'll take the another previous example. This is the from SBI PO. SBI PO. See, they are given the some options of figure. You need to find out the which option should be correct for this. Universe, Earth, Europe. In the universe, Earth is the one planet, Europe is the one country. So, see, this is the universe, Earth is the one of the planet, this is universe, Earth. In the Earth you can have the Europe is one of the country. Which option is here? Option B for this one. Next, picture, radio, TV. Picture, radio, TV. So, which one should be correct here? See, here we can have picture and TV should be some interrelationship. In the TV we can have the picture should be there, but radio is different thing. We cannot just, we can hear the whatever the from the radio, we can watch the picture in the TV. So how can we can see? This is the option A. So here TV, picture and radio is different. This is the option A. Option A. Next, radio, TV, cinema hall. See, here radio is different, TV is different, cinema hall are different. So which option should be correct here? D. So radio, TV, cinema hall. Next, cloth, sari, dhoti. See, which one should be here? So here cloth, sari, dhoti. So from the cloth you can have the, you can able to, sari is different, dhoti is different. So cloth is, the both are the categories of cloth. So sari, dhoti. Okay, next, boys, class, girls. In the classroom you can have the boys and girls. So but the both are different. Boys are male, girls are female. So class, boys, girls, boys, girls. This is the class. Okay, so this is the very simple topic of Venn diagrams. You can solve your problems. You can have the two categories. One is they are giving the question in this manner. Another thing is entire thing should be they are given like your previous players like this one. You need to find out the which player should be common to badminton or cricket like this one. Okay, thank you.